Did you know that the way you think about challenges can actually shape your success? The power of growth mindset is more than just a theory, it's a game changer for students and adults alike. Let's talk today about how you can bring this mindset to life with a super great resource that's free, easy to use, and can really help you on your path to establishing a growth mindset. Hi, I'm Margaret from Your Therapy Source. And today, like I said, I want to talk about the power of growth mindset, what it is, why it's essential, and how you can use a simple, free worksheet packet to start shifting perspectives right away. Whether you're a teacher, therapist, or parent, this is something you don't want to miss. So let's just talk about what is a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can improve with effort and practice. Coined by Carol Dweck in her book Mindset, The New Psychology of Success, this concept has inspired educators around the world to rethink about how they teach and support students. It's about embracing challenges, learning from mistakes, and believing that success comes through perseverance, not just natural talent. Why does this matter? It's because research shows us that fostering a growth mindset helps students build resilience, develop problem solving skills, and reduce negative self talk. By helping them focus on effort and strategies rather than fixed traits like, I'm just not good at math, we empower them to push through challenges and grow. So, at your therapy source, you can download a free growth mindset worksheet packet, and it's a perfect way to guide students and even yourself or other adults on your growth mindset journey. So, it's broken down into three sections. First, there's a 2-page fixed versus growth mindset worksheet, and you'll learn to identify fixed mindset statements and reframe them into positive, growth oriented thoughts. The second part is a mindset reflection sheet. So you're going to reflect on challenges, responses, and lessons learned, a critical step in making real changes. So it just has you step back and look at how you've dealt with different challenges. And then the last one is a growth mindset goal setting template. So you're going to break down your goals into actionable steps, encouraging persistence and accountability. So these resources aren't just for classrooms. Like I said, they're great for homeschool and occupational therapy sessions, or even your own personal use. So to make the most out of these resources, you're going to start with that fixed versus growth mindset worksheet to kind of introduce the concept to the students. It's got some cute emojis and discuss examples and brainstorm how to shift their perspective. Then you'd move on to the reflection sheet and you talk about and debrief to identify learning moments. And then the last one is to encourage goal setting regularly to build skills and to create a sense of accomplishment. And you can pair these worksheets with activities like journaling, role playing, coloring pages for younger kids. You can check out some of these resources at your therapy source, and I'll put links in the comments. Okay, so this just helps to reinforce the concepts of a growth mindset in an engaging way for kids. So don't stop at the school doors. Let's take growth mindset beyond the classroom. It's these principles are just important at in school and they're just as important at home. So you can share these worksheets with the families to encourage consistency at home too. So it's really helpful when you bring parents and guardians and family members on board too. So, growth mindset, it's not just a buzzword, it's a lifelong tool that empowers individuals to embrace learning, overcome setbacks, and achieve their full potential. So, you can start by downloading, like I said, the free worksheet packet at your therapy source and get started on a ripple effect of positivity and perseverance for your students. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.